think doing it this way, it's going to be too long, I think. And this is back to basically a normal size, except it's kind of doubled over, so it might be a bit.
Hold something. The video transfer.
This would be extra short.
This is the standard paper airplane.
Isn't there something about putting a paper clip or something on the nose? Or haven't I seen something like that?
Yeah, it's for weighting it.
Which is good so it does loopy loops, or good so it.
So we call this is called the concord.
Okay, here.
Are you serious? Is that a real like paper like this kind?
Put a name on it.
Let's see if it flies.
That was very nice.